is up, you guys? It is Parker
Hey
here with
y'all.
Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, we're gonna make a bee wreath. It says welcome to our hive. It's a little bit heavier than our normal signs. If your metal sign comes with that little sawtooth attachment, it's probably too heavy for a mounting square. So we're gonna use the sawtooth, and then we're gonna take our metal hole punch and see how it has this little curve in it. In the bottom of that curve, we're gonna make a little bitty hole. All right. All right, let's get this attached. So we're just gonna run that height cleaner up to our grapevine and tie it off. All right. So it's good and attached, not going anywhere. Let's make our bow. Gonna measure out about 12 inches. Measure out about 6 inches. Gonna use our yellow mat, our yellow next. You guys like the mats? It's fun watching them be made. All right, since we put so many colors and patterns, I'm gonna go in there with a solid next. All right. Give it a good twist. Y'all, we'll get this fluffed out once we add it to our grapevine. Now I want to add this as far away and down as I can from the beehive. All right, now my goal, adding the bow as far down on the grapevine as possible, is to make the grapevine look bigger than it is, right? All right, y'all, then I just grabbed a bunch of little picks of greenery to fill it in with. All right, now this stem has a really nice hard stem down the middle. So I'm going to use this one towards the bottom to help support our bow. All right, so I want to fill in back behind the bow first and then work my way to the center. All right, so we're still just kind of building out the shape of our bow. I'm going to start bringing some of these pieces up a little bit. Y'all, before we go too much further into our bow, let's dovetail the tails. Because the more your bow gets stuffed, the harder it is to do it. All right, so as you can see, we're starting to fill in to our bow with some of our greenery. All right, do I want to bring in a little bit of this dark purple? I think I do. Y'all, whenever you glue these in, you can glue them directly into your bow. You just want to make sure that whenever you place it, you're getting it as far into the center as possible, and you're getting it mixed between the different layers. All right, y'all, I think we're done. Nice, quick, simple sign, add a bow, fill it in